Hey, does your Bitwarden vault keep locking too quickly or timing out randomly? Yeah, that can get annoying fast. In this quick guide, I'll show you how to fix the timeout issue and keep your vault unlocked the way you want. All right, first, open your Bitwarden extension and head into Settings. That's where the timeout options are controlled. Now, look for the Vault Timeout option. This controls how long Bitwarden stays unlocked before locking itself. Go ahead and set it to a longer time, like 15 minutes or even never if you're on a personal device. Next, check the Vault Timeout action. This decides what happens when the vault times out. If it's set to log out, switch it to lock. Yeah, this way you won't need to fully log in every time. Okay, if it still times out too fast, your browser might be clearing data in the background. Make sure Edge isn't set to clear cookies or cite data on exit. That can force Bitwarden to reset. Also, check that Bitwarden has the right permissions. Missing permissions can sometimes cause session issues. Make sure it can run on all sites and stay active. And yeah, if nothing works, update or reinstall the extension. Sometimes a quick reinstall just clears out bugs. And that's it. Your Bitwarden timeout issue should be fixed now. Just tweak those settings to match your workflow, and you're good to go. All right, so